Yo, good morning everybody. We are here live and direct at Larry Chen's workshop in downtown LA. It is going down right now. We got so many things going on. As you guys saw earlier, Jeff Ward brought out his 356 with a chrome canoe. Like, how crazy is that? We got an Aston Martin game parked behind me. Matt's brought out his Lambo, his Countach is outside. Larry brought out his R32 GTR, his 996 Turbo. I'm sure, I think there's an NSX coming, but the show is just getting started, so I'm gonna walk around and show you guys what's happening right now. But dude, this spot is really legit, so let's go check it out. Larry, the man. I just heard the podcast of you guys on P-Car Talk.
Oh, yeah.
Man, so when did you just get back?
Not last night, but the night before that. Yeah.
I don't even know how Larry is even ever awake. I think he's seriously a zombie, so.
Have you met Zwart yet?
Yeah, I always see Jeff like around at all the events. Yeah, hey Jeff, good morning. Wow. Is this thing a permanent fixture on the top of this car?
It is temporarily. This is actually going to be my light over my conference table, but then they asked me to take it to the experience center and have it on display. I'll put on the chrome canoe while I've got it.
Man, that's amazing.
Eventually be in a different place.
Wow. Amazing. When it gets windy, I'm sure that gets really fun.
Oh yeah, it's like full crank on the steering wheel.
You guys know what time it is. We got David right here. We got Leaf right here. Here's the thing. What time did you wake up?
Woke up at 4:30.
4:30?
I woke up at 4 and then snoozed till 4:30.
Damn. So everyone basically woke up at 4 today.
How did you wake up? Because you texted me good morning.
Yeah, I did. I woke up today at 4:45. Yeah, and I snoozed at one time. And now, here. Morning. How's that coffee? Is that coffee?
Oh yeah, it's coffee. Like, do we give you beard envy?
Yeah, bro. Like,
because he gives me beard envy. That means you must have hella envy.
Bro.
Down. Oh man, look at the gray. It's coming out and just drove, man.
Look at that experience.
It looks beautiful,
Yeah.
bro.
It's the nowlet. Ooh, that pink sky though.
It's coming through.
That pink sky though.
What's up? Of course you would bring the NSX, bro.
Have to, man.
This venue was for a motorcycle show, and then since then I was like, I have to shoot something here. But of course I'm not doing any shooting today. You guys are shooting, so I kind of can't wait to see all of the photos that you guys create. So we'll start off by taking a tour of the place, kind of seeing where we can and can't shoot, and just kind of seeing the backdrops, whatever. We want to help you improve your photography and improve. Even if you want to do video, we'll help you with that.
We're here, bro.
We out here.
We out here, bro.
We out here, as they say.
You guys know Ish is out here working with his brother. Where's your brother? Oh, there he is. Hey, you got no camera in your hand today.
Huh?
That's awkward, bro.
What is it? Not the Emperor's New Groove. Which is a great movie.
We're sitting in 4 big units that were put together by the family that founded the Mochi Ice Cream.
Mochi Ice Cream Factory.
Yeah, Mochi Ice Cream Factory. So this whole complex was used to produce their product. A couple years ago, they moved out of this location, moved I think towards City of Commerce or something. We picked it up, and now it's an event space, art installation / art haven. So if you guys follow me, I'll show you guys the rest of the space.
Oh, man.
The freezer is packed. That's because we're
Dude, this is awesome in here.
So this warehouse is currently cleaned out because in the following week we're gonna have a motorcycle show here. But this alternates every month to every week like this.
Ish walking around with his tripod because you never know when the shot's gonna come.
You never know when
You never know, bro.
Angles, bro. I could only squat so,
We have a barber shop here. We have a private gym in this other unit. We have a coffee shop. The ignition's open.
The other side is fucking rad.
What is that? What does that say?
What's this say? I'm here forever with you by my side, bro. Hey, no, let's do this. Let's cross fingers like this.
Oh, wow.
You gotta get that on camera. Bro, that's good.
We love each other, man. Just don't kiss me again, bro.
Bro, I'll always kiss you, man. Look how beautiful this alley is right here. I've driven by this area so many times, but bro, she's Korean. I know my kind. Actually, they're all Korean. They're wearing hanboks. This is actually cool because there are different people in different cultures wearing Korean outfits. So that's legit.
Okay.
You see, guys.
So you cultured.
Bro.
You cultured.
I'm all about culture, dog. So John from Canon USA and Larry Chen were telling everybody on how to model. You got Lewis in the back. What's up? They're basically working with models now. They're using some ambient light, but they're gonna be running some of this pro photo light. This expensive, super duper pricey professional pro photo light. You know what time it is. So it's cool to see all the photographers out here try to use some of the artificial light, but we'll see what they're up to in just a little bit. Hey, so sometimes when you don't have what you need, sometimes you just gotta improvise. And I bet you if you get someone's purse, it'll probably weigh more than those wooden blocks right there.
No, it definitely will. 100% it will.
We're looking at a total of 2 pounds.
No, not even.
Not
I
even.
think it's total 1 pound.
Total 1 pound.
The bag itself counts for about a third of that. I think.
Because the fun thing for me with a car like this, which by the way, I would love to feature this car for myself. You know, I haven't had a chance to shoot this car, but I've always loved this car. I've just seen it at shows, and you know, if you're posting something on Instagram, you know, you're limited to 10 shots, but there's just so many. Like, look at this. I've never even seen this. What is this? Like, how cool is that? No quoting traffic laws. That's so stupid. It's such a funny sticker, you know. But like that's the stuff that is interesting to me. You know, it's like a personalized thing.
So we're going over what Larry looks for in a car to shoot.
Yes.
Just like you guys just saw the sticker right now, which was really dope because those are little things that most people might not notice. But I think because Larry's also a car guy, I mean, there's a lot of things that he for himself would be interested in. For example, maybe the engine, the headers, or maybe some rare part that maybe the average guy wouldn't know. So,
and that's the thing is, I'm shooting so many different types of cars that I didn't grow up around, and I don't actually know so much about. But visually, I can still relate to it. You know,
Right.
I kind of know what I like, and I kind of know enough about cars where I could tell that, for example, hey, whatever, that huge supercharger is cool, or hey, that patina is cool. You
Right.
know. But the point is, what I'll do is I'll make so many attempts at these shots that later on I can choose if it's cool or not, if it's good enough to publish or not.
right.
Yeah.
Like that cool titanium,
Yeah, exactly.
everything.
Yeah, all of that.
There you go.
Yeah.
It's like on old cars. It's like, where do you put it?
Yeah, where do you put it? Do I just put it down? I don't want to break it. Oh, is this secret?
Oh, there you go. Secret.
Drop it?
Yeah, just drop it.
Woo, the anti-theft.
Just this with the ground as a background. You kind of see a little bit of the black hood and the green, and then with these two logos, it's just such a cool. That's a pretty cool thing.
Now you know you're a boss if you leave your cameras on the floor like this unattended, like Larry does. He's busy. He's working. Film gang.
Yeah. Film.
You know somebody who's got a beard that long has got a film camera. Come on.
You know what? I just recently actually acquired.
Hey, dog.
Bro, what are you doing right now? I'm just watching you. What are you doing?
I'm just shooting, man. What are you doing?
You just doing some detail shots?
Yeah, just doing some detail shots.
Like what interests you about this car right now on the inside?
First off, I came over here because of the blurple. All the purple attracted me.
It's pretty
and we
dope.
just moved this car in
I
here.
love purple. You look like a purple type of dude too.
I am a purple kind of dude.
Oh, look at that steering wheel though.
Wow. This is it right here. You guys aren't even ready for this. You're not even ready for this. That's him.
Oh no way!
That's his turn.
But I'm not shooting Porsche. I like to play a mean bass.
Yeah. Yeah, look.
Oh, look at that.
Yeah. This is a mounted camera.
Yeah.
Mounted cameras were even a thing.
On a metal bracket and shot from inside the car.
Look at that.
Wow.
He gave me a poster he shot for Road Track, which presumably was this car.
Yeah.
And it looks exactly like mine.
Yeah. This?
Oh, I remember that picture.
He told me that's Rod Millen, and he told me they ratchet strapped the suspension
to make it do that.
To make it do that.
No Photoshop here.
The tricks of the trade, man. Nope.
That's awesome.
1987, man. Already at that high level. Yeah.
Wow.
Matt, with the no shoes here.
Now my feet on the pedals. Oh.
This whole front end is the pure definition of the 80s. Like, there's nothing more defiant of that era. It's just like that one
Best
thing.
thing ever.
Can you show us a mirror?
Yeah.
All right, here we go. Walking around. Oh, that's for sure.
Yo.
Just let me know if I'm getting too close to you, okay?
You get closer.
Oh yeah, we definitely get closer.
At least you're making her laugh. Doing something good, Drew.
Hey man, I try, bro. I try.
But really, say something not funny at all.
Man, the sky is really blue today. Oh, look at that. All right, guys, we're watching a photographer here. It's very important to have the squat down. If you don't have a good squat, just don't even become a photographer. It's very important.
The key is in the knees
Yep.
to feel the tension of the
Yep.
ligaments to just kind of balance back.
Well, John, what do you think about that? Is that important, squatting?
What would you rate the stance?
Well, I would give your plumber rating a 3. It was only a 3 though. It was only a 3
It's been
out of 10.
Okay, I was like,
It
out
could
of
have been way worse. Only a 3.
That's hilarious. That's hilarious. All right, so we're about halfway through the workshop. It is about 2:30 p.m. and a lot of cars have come and gone. So we got a whole new set of BMW guys that came through. The Datsun guys, some RX-3s, JDM, Euro is all here. Everyone's kind of taking their time to get inside the building and being shuffled around on the outside. But I've taken some photos out here just to kind of help document, and I'll post those photos up in just a bit. But we'll continue on and see what the rest of the day has in store. And this is how the Prime guys always roll. Hey, high five on the Primes. So we're halfway through.
Halfway.
How are things going for you guys?
Good. It's a long day, but you know.
A lot of good shots.
Yeah.
What's your favorite thing about the workshop?
That's it. That's picky. But I mean, all the different variety of cars. You have from German to Japanese to basically really anything you want.
We even had American muscle
Yeah, one.
and some exotics.
Yeah. After that, I mean, you have all the talent in the world in one area. It's more of the creative juices you pick up. Like, that's where I'm here. Like, I'm here to have fun, learn new things, meet new people. Like, the cars are just kind of like the cherry on top. You and I both being Porsche people, like, in the end, like, would we love to see a nice German car? Of course. But being surrounded by so many different styles, different builds, you get a lot of love. It's pretty cool.
I totally agree with that. It's really awesome to be able to shoot with a bunch of other people that are into the same stuff.
Right. Yeah, it's for sure. It almost feels like a private car show just for us.
Yep, that's
which is
exactly
cool.
what it is.
Yeah.
Yeah, and we can move the cars where you want to move.
Right.
Like,
It's like, can you move that over there, please?
yeah, just move where you're parked because I don't like it. But yeah, all these guys coming from the area, like none of these guys are coming from all the way around the country. You know what I mean? Like this is the local car scene, and it's kind of cool to see all the diversity locally.
As you guys know, LA is pretty much the mecca of car society, and man, we really have a unique
Won't disagree with that
stance here for sure. And it's cool because, you know, as heavy as I am in either the Porsche game or even, let's say, the NSX community, but then you're also seeing a whole sector of old Toyotas that has their own subcultures. And it's funny enough because everyone thinks that the car community is small, but really it's pretty vast. It's like
There's so much diversity here today. In fact, we have the 300 SL that was a crazy SEMA build, Johnny's RX-8 race car, and then we have the super stance BMWs that are inside in here.
Yeah,
We got everything.
you get a little bit of everything. But yes, they all drive different things, but we're still one community. In the end, we all come together to be around the same thing. Like the models that are here today, they're not car people, but they're appreciating all the different detail, all the beauty and everything. That's what about the car was about, you know what I mean?
Definitely. And, you know, since Larry is connecting all the worlds, it's like he's kind of the perfect.
Everything.
He's the glue.
He's the glue for a lot of the photo world.
Larry.
He does it. Thank you, Larry.
Doing it well.
You do it for us.
Ladies and gentlemen, we are watching Louis work.
Chris Walters here. You sound like a reporter. But Chris Walters reporting here. So he's going over some of his favorite stuff today.
This Beamer. This was outside, but going inside, Larry walk-in, some blue steel stuff.
Blue steel.
But once we got inside with the Beamer, it was coming into the good stuff here.
Nice. What's your favorite car today?
This had to be up there just because the white, especially when it was inside, the white was just popping with the light coming through the doors. There's a lot of really cool stuff. I personally haven't shot models before, so I took advantage of that with the models being here, the strobes, with cars, without cars, up against all the artwork. That was kind of, you know, what I was focusing on, but that E30 is definitely up there today for me.
Hell yeah, Chris.
What's up, guys?
What's up, what's up? And that's the end of a fantastic day. Thank you, Larry, for the invite, for just an awesome day, awesome cars, just hanging out, man.
It's safe to say that the Cannon workshop here at the container yard was fire. Enough said. It was
like
fire.
How fire?
It was super fire.
That fire? That's how fire it was.
Man. That's how you sum it up.
Larry's out on a test drive right now, so he's doing his thing.
The McLaren 720S.
McLaren.
But
no big
life
deal.
is tough.
Larry, we feel you, bro. It's hard. But that's it, man. That's a wrap. Well, thank you guys for joining us. Till the next time.
Apex Dave out. Drew, always the man. 911 cool. Y'all the shit.
Oh, he showed up all at the end?
I come and help clean up.
He came here for the tacos. I know, Sean.
There's a taco?
We already closed up the vlog, though, bro.
I know. All right, guys. So, you know, next week, the next workshop is coming out because, you know, it's already been 3 months later. The vlog is out finally. It's fire. Let's go. Let's go. How was today?
Great. You know how it was. Turns out phenomenal.
We got to tell everybody how much fun you had today.
Too much, probably. It's kind of a life-changing thing when you get to come and you see probably $1 million worth of custom cars just chilling here. Like, you get to touch them. You don't get to play in them. I've never started a 720S until today.
I don't know, because Larry's out there having fun in the 720, you know, just doing his thing, so.
Yeah, I mean, we get to start it up and do it. He gets to drive it, so.
Quickly, favorite thing today?
Favorite thing? Probably the array of everything and just the support by everybody. The creative juices in this building were not
You guys heard it. If you guys are new to photography and love cars, come to the next one.
Yep.
When this vlog comes out in 2 months, then you know it's time. The next one will be a month away.
Yeah, cars and couture.
Hell yeah.
Shit right there.
High five.
Yep.
All right, bro. Aaron. Knuckles.
You out of here?
Yeah. I know, I gotta go see my parents. Favorite thing today?
Favorite thing?
Bro, we got
all of that.
You already closed up
All of that. No, but look at this.
Bro, what you in your fire shirt, bro?
He's asking for the favorite thing, though. I mean, the room to move these cars around, phenomenal. And there was a lot of people that got a lot of one-on-one time with Larry, which was awesome. So
That
you can see a lot of
was-
people got a lot of really good information from him, and everybody seems really happy.
I was totally trolling him. You made it sound serious, and now I kind of feel like an asshole.
Yeah, well, you are. Okay, you in your damn fire shirt.
And our food was a lot better than that.
Then this right here, then this sandwich right here.
All right, play. Hey, you take care.
All right, we'll talk soon.